Hey, Mike, you look stressed.
Yeah, I messed up. I forgot our anniversary.
Oh no, how did Lisa react?
She's really mad.
Did you explain why you forgot?
I told her I was busy with work.
That's not enough.
How? I already said sorry.
You need to do something special.
Like what?
First, buy her favorite flowers, roses maybe.
Okay, roses. Then what?
Then plan a nice dinner.
But what if she's still angry?
Write her a card too. Say how much she means to you.
I'm not good at that stuff.
Just be honest and focus only on her during dinner.
You're right.
And promise to remember next year.
I'll set 10 reminders on my phone.
Good start. Now go fix this.
Thanks for the advice. I owe you one.
Hi, Jake. It's Anna.
Hey, Anna. Nice to hear from you.
Are you free this Saturday?
I think so. Why? What's up?
I'm planning a small get-together at my place.
That sounds fun. What time?
Around 6 p.m.
Will there be food?
Of course, pizza, snacks, and drinks.
Count me in. Can I bring anything?
Maybe just a dessert?
Sure, I'll bring cookies.
Perfect. Oh, and bring Lisa too.
She'd love that. I'll let her know.
Great, it's been a while since we all hung out.
Yeah, I've missed everyone.
It'll be chill, just music and games.
Sounds like my kind of night.
Awesome. See you Saturday then.
See you. Thanks for the invite.
Hi, your English is great.
Thanks, I'm still learning.
How did you learn English?
I studied at school. And you?
Me too. Do you practice every day?
Yes, I watch TV shows in English.
That's smart. What shows?
Friends, it's funny and easy.
Do you speak English at work?
Sometimes. My boss is American.
Wow, that helps a lot.
Yes, but I make many mistakes.
That's okay. Me too.
How long have you studied?
3 years. My grammar is bad.
No, it's good. Just practice more.
Thanks. Let's practice together.
Great idea. See you tomorrow.
Perfect. Bye for now.
Bye.
Hi, Mark. How are you?
Good, thanks, Emma. You?
Not bad. Is this your family photo?
Yes, these are my parents.
Oh, do they live nearby?
No, they're in Manchester.
Do you have siblings?
Yeah, one brother. No sisters.
Older or younger?
Younger. He's 15.
Cute. I have two sisters.
Big family. Are they older?
One older, one younger.
Nice. Family dinners must be loud.
So loud. Do you visit your parents often?
Every month. You?
Not enough. Maybe twice a year.
That's hard. Do you call them?
Every Sunday, like clockwork.
Smart. I should call mine more.
Try it. They'll love it.
You're right. Thanks, Emma.
Anytime. See you tomorrow.
Sure thing. Bye.
Morning, James.
Hi, Lisa. How's it going?
Busy already. Do you have the report?
Not yet. I'll finish it by 10.
Great. Can you email it to me?
Sure. Need anything else?
Yes, the meeting is at 11, right?
No, it changed to 2 p.m.
Really? Where's the new memo?
On the board near the coffee machine.
Thanks. Who's coming to the meeting?
Just our team and the manager.
Should I prepare my presentation?
Yes, please. Keep it short.
10 minutes, okay?
Perfect. Use the big screen.
Got it. Oh, phone's ringing.
I'll get it. You finish your work.
You're a lifesaver.
No problem. Teamwork.
See you at 2?
Yep. Good luck with your prep.